Hello loves, it's Ann Lay. Welcome to my channel. Last week I did a video about all the clothing options that I pack with me and how I maximize these clothing pieces into different outfit options. So today I want to put more focus on my packing routine and how I pack. So you are going to be packing with me today. And before I do so, I want to give a special thank you to Michael Kors Wanderlust perfume for sponsoring today's video. It is a beautiful, versatile scent. It definitely reminds me of my days in Italy when I was walking through the towns, just taking it all in. Each town was so beautiful with the cobblestones, and just to see how people live and the culture. And the evening time was so fun. You know, when I got dressed to go out to dinner, there were so many people out in town, and just to see people enjoying their lives. It was a beautiful experience, and it was very romantic as I imagine it to be. With the combination of the scent, the memories, and the excitement of packing, it brings together the whole experience of preparing for the destination. And I feel like the preparation, the journey to the destination, creates the overall experience. So with that being said, let's start packing. Packing for your trip can either be really quick, or you can take a bit of preparation, especially if you want to pack efficiently. As you can see, before any trip or packing, I make sure to declutter my space so that way my mind can feel nice and clear when I'm packing. So the first thing that I like to take care of are the smaller things, which are my beauty products and makeup. Here I'm just taking out all the different color lipsticks, makeup palette, and perfume. This way I won't forget them. I have them all in my tray, and then I'm going to take them over and get them ready for packing. When I'm sorting out items, I make sure that I sort out what's most versatile. This way it will save me space and maximize my usage. When selecting my makeup, I look for color palettes and colors that I can use for both day and night. The same goes with perfume. It's not really easy to find a versatile scent. Usually it's one or the other. With this new Michael Kors Wanderlust perfume, it has keynotes of soothing almond milk, spicy dianthus, and sweet sandalwood. The scent is quite versatile. It can be worn with a casual outfit in the daytime or for a sultry evening night out in town. So after packing all the smaller stuff like the toiletries, the beauty products, and the electronics, I am now going to get ready. I usually pack the night before, but I want to show you everything in one day. Since I will be sitting on the plane for a few hours, I want to just be comfortable, so I'm putting all my hair up in a little messy bun. For clothing, I just want to keep it very simple by wearing all black, a stretchy knit top, and some leggings. To smell lovely, I'm going to spray some of this perfume. I usually like to spray in the air and then walk into the scented mist. I usually would plan out the outfits in my head of what kind of color theme I want to go for, or I would do it the night before. I would go into my closet and just sort out pieces that I think would work out. I then lay all the pieces on the bed, and sometimes I put outfit combinations together as well. I would also try on certain pieces to make sure that it plays well before going to a certain event or occasion. Once I am happy with all the outfit choices, I then roll the clothing items up. Some of the pieces, like the dresses, I will turn them inside out so that way no lint will get stuck on them, or if they tend to get stained, something happens, it will happen on the inside lining and not on the outside material. As you can see, I have everything categorized in specific compartments. This is going to make things a lot more convenient when I'm looking for items, and instead of just shoving everything into one luggage, I now have separate compartment for everything. So before heading out on a new adventure to a new place, or simply just for work, you want to be able to feel ready and less worried. We all do, right? So to round up everything that we went through today, start with a clear space. Allow yourself to pack without feeling overwhelmed. Pack the smaller essential items first. Lay out everything before compartmentalizing them by categories. Then place them all into your luggage. Putting a little time into preparation is a great mindful exercise to keep you in the moment, focus, and calm. Allow yourself to enjoy the small steps following up to the main event. If you're traveling this summer, I wish you a joyful and safe trip. Make sure to comment below this video and let us all know where you're going this year. Thank you all so much for spending today with me. I really do enjoy creating today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well as I did. Please give this video a like and also share if you found it helpful. Thank you all so much again, and I love you, and I will see you next week. Ciao!